So, hi guys. Mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng parcel. This is from a very good friend of mine. May pinadala siyang parcel. I do not know what is this. So, let's check. Let's open. Ang liit ng lalagyan. Oh, color yellow. Yun, dumi ng kuko ko kasi nag-painting kami kanina. So, at my back. How cute. It's umbrella. It's a color yellow. I like the color. Just like the color of the sunflower. And, what's this? Oh, may bag pa siya. Kung kayo may tinatamad magbitbit ng payo kasi wala kayong malagyan. Ito lang yan. Oh, where's the zipper? Diba parang nakabag ka na? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this umbrella. Bye!